Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to compare two popular air fryers, the Instant Vortex 4in-1 and the Ninja DZ401 Foodi. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. When it comes to functionality, both the Instant Vortex and the Ninja Foodi have a lot to offer. The Vortex has 4-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, bake, roast, and reheat. Meanwhile, the Foodi offers 6-in-1 functionality including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. However, the Foodi takes it to the next level with its DualZone technology, allowing you to cook two foods two ways at the same time. So for functionality, the winner is the Ninja Foodi. If you're cooking for a crowd, the Ninja Foodi is the winner, offering a larger 10-quart capacity with two independent 5-quart cooking zones that allow you to cook two dishes simultaneously, saving you time in the kitchen. The Instant Vortex is a bit smaller, perfect for 1 to 2 servings, making it ideal for those with limited counter space or a smaller kitchen. Both the Instant Vortex and Ninja Foodi have customizable one-touch smart programs that make cooking a breeze. However, the Ninja Foodi comes with a few more programs, giving you even more options for easy meal prep. So for smart programs, the winner is the Ninja Foodi. The Instant Vortex features even crisp technology that drives airflow top-down, ensuring perfect golden finishes and crispy, tender results every time. The Ninja Foodi offers IQ Boost that optimally distributes power across each basket to cook a 6lb whole chicken inside as quickly as possible. Both products use less energy than traditional electric ovens, which means they're not only convenient but also eco-friendly. So for cooking technology, it's a tie. Cleaning is always a chore, but both products make it easy with non-stick and dishwasher-safe parts. However, the Ninja Foodi's easy-to-clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates make it effortless to clean, making it the winner for cleaning. And that's a wrap for our comparison of the Instant Vortex 4in-1 and the Ninja DZ401 Foodi. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this.